I'd like to share with you a story. A couple days ago, I was talking with a friend about her finances and how her interest rate at her bank wasn't the greatest. She had told me her bank was giving her an interest rate of 0.02%. What on earth is that? So, what do? I do what I always do when I come across someone who doesn't have the best financial situation. And I tell her, okay, let me help you out. I want you to open a Capital One 360 performance savings account. Why do I recommend that? Because it's just the most easy one for me, and that's what I have, that's what I'm familiar with. So, what does she respond to with this? Well, she says, it's okay, I don't need to do that. Now, I chat with her a bit more about this, and it takes me a while to realize she genuinely just told me she doesn't feel the need to because it's not worth it. And I look at her and I go, you're currently making approximately 5 cents on interest per year. If you open with Capital One, you'll be making $5, $10, $20, a considerable amount more than you are currently making. So why not? And finally, she just goes, because I'm too lazy. What do you mean you're too lazy to make use of free money that requires you to put 5 minutes overhead work in and nothing else? I don't understand. Now, for context, this friend is not in the greatest financial situation. She's young, she's learning her way in the world. I mean no harm against her by making this video. I'm just confused. How can you be too lazy to not make use of what is effectively free money? This is why I make these videos, because I don't want people to miss out on the opportunity for free money. It's all around as long as you have the desire to look for it. I don't understand why people are the way they are sometimes. But my hope is that I can make you not be like that and understand that free money is free money and it could be money in your wallet. So I hope you go with that and make use of every opportunity available for you. And I'm not saying this because I want each one of you to get rich. Being rich, being a millionaire, billionaire, that's not important to me. What's being important is maximizing what tools you have available to you and allowing yourself to live the highest quality of life that you can with what you have available. There's no other reason for that. There's no reason to miss out on what is effectively a free opportunity. So go out there, take your opportunities, and don't miss the chance you have.